folks, Jamaican dances are rich and vibrant and are rooted in our heritage. I have a friend who tell me, say the only thing Jamaica people can do is run and dance.
Run from dog.
Patrick Earl is an educator, performer, and dance specialist at JCDC, and he joins us now to showcase a few Jamaican traditional dances and teach Sim some moves.
No, we don't play that.
No.
I said we're a team.
No, but you have to teach me. I know all of these moves.
That's why you're both going to teach me then, as a novice.
Sir.
All right, bless up.
Good to see you, Sir P.
How you got into this dancing thing in the first place?
Actually, I started dancing within church, right? And everybody went to university to study what they're doing. The singers went to school of music, the pastor went to Bible school, and nobody went to a dance school.
So what do you mean by in church? What kind of dance was you doing in church?
I was doing
praise
and worship dance, technical proficient dance, but I believe that whatever you're doing for Christ must be professionally executed. Hey. So I went to elementary college, and that was it.
Okay.
And I was like 19 then.
Oh,
and you're 21
like
now.
3 years ago.
Yeah, you're 21
No, not at all. Not at all.
All right. So, I don't have my tablet. You don't have your tablet. Where are we starting? Coming up?
All right. We're starting with dinky mini. But the general understanding of our Jamaican traditional folk form is that you must bend your knees, you must give in to gravity. It's a total relaxation. So we're going to start with the dinky mini. All right. So with dinky mini.
Where is Delia Marie Harris when you need her?
Lord Jesus.
All right. Turn up the music a little bit.
All right, good. So you have to feel as if you're handicapped, right? So the knees are knocked. Good. You're going to shift the body weight over to the left. Yeah, and you're going to step forward.
Your knee was to knock.
Wait, man. Just get it.
Them don't knock.
You know, when him in a goal, you know, him kind of stop the ball. So him have an idea of what it is. All right, so the left leg, step forward a little. We're going to do what we call a dabbing motion. Right, so you're establishing the pulse of the rhythm. Relax your arm. Good now. Think that you're a sensorful, yeah? Come on, no, you have to work with me. Work with the image. So, the right leg, you're going to brush it outward to the side. Okay, on the handbeat. Yeah, man, that's it. That was it, lovely, that was it. So all you have to do now, imagine that you have your partner in front of you, and you're going to reach the waist of your partner. Hey! Never.
Come here, partner.
You have to focus. Remember the dabbing motion.
The dabbing.
Yeah, dabbing. On the left leg.
Yeah.
Face your partner. You know that he was getting it correctly though. All right, good. Here we go.
Opposite hand.
Okay. Right, then now the leg can go forward and back. But you have to keep the knees knocked. Okay.
Oh, you keep the knee knocked, I do that.
Well, they're almost together. Yeah, so it is just a forward and back movement.
Yeah.
Forward, back.
Yeah.
Forward. So remember, you have to bend your knee.
Oh, bend your knee.
Yeah, man, that's it. So Rome wasn't built in a day.
No, not 6 years, sir. Which is what it would take.
So dinky mini is a social form.
Okay.
Gerreh now is very religious.
Gotcha.
But the movement structure is similar to dinky mini.
Okay.
Good.
Slower though.
A little slower.
Okay.
So in Gerreh,
is there any sensorful in this?
No sensorful.
Just checking.
Who is that sensorful?
But guess what? The thing with Gerreh now is a rotation. We call it a corkscrew of the torso. So the ladies, you know, when you're upon their school and you trace each other, and you use your chest and you push it out, that kind of a quality.
I'm such a calm spirit. So
wow!
Patrick is not.
Well, no conflict ever in thy life.
Ever. Never.
Right. So slow motion. Well, the torso is circling. Just the torso. Never. Remember the foot positioning.
Oh, foot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Right.
Big foot.
Good.
And then.
Yeah, relax. Simone, go. I joke it out.
Anything we're doing is we're doing well.
Good. So this is one motion. Then now for the ladies.
Oh, foot branch.
Yes.
Same your foot supposed to be behind that.
You have a nervousness to try and instruct me.
Where the foot supposed to be?
Right, very good. Good.
And you have to bend
so no,
the knees.
with gerreh now, you don't have to knock the knees.
You don't knock the knee
open. Yeah?
So.
No, wait, no. The body weight is shifted on one side.
Oh, the body weight is
yes.
All right.
So you have freedom on the other leg to move.
Oh, okay.
So the knee is, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Now for the ladies, your hip is rocking from
Well, that
side
is for
to
the
side.
ladies. That is for the ladies.
Yeah. Very stately. Males, are we this now?
Oh, are we this now?
Yeah.
Excitement.
Excitement, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, be excited.
And you're lifting.
Be excited.
Yeah. But you have to have the body shape.
Oh, need. Oh,
All right.
Somebody come find your friend.
I forget set up enough.
Excitement. Excitement again. Ready?
Right.
Yes. Come on. Ready? Come on. Excitement.
So, audience, the step may not be right, but the performance quality is correct.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right, so going on to the last one.
Oh, the last one.
Kumina.
Yes.
All right.
Very cool. Very collected.
Yes.
So it's not about showmanship. It is very religious, yeah, very centered on Africa, and that is why I would ask you to take off your shoes, but don't worry yourself.
We don't worry about that.
So an important feature of kumina is what we call inching. Right. So as a teacher, I have to give you imagery.
Yes.
Imagine that you have a rag on the floor and you're trying to use your toes to pick up the rag or a pencil.
Is there a sense of all nearby?
No sense of
Just
all.
checking.
Right? So good. So it's a curl and release, a contract and release of the toes.
May I do it, but you can't.
Right. So for you, sir, Neff, imagine that you're going to catch a ball in your chest.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the disposition, that is the carriage of the torso.
I want to ask you, Sir P.
Yes.
When you're dancing, is your face supposed to look like Nephro's face? Because if he's dancing like that, nobody's going to look at his body. What is it?
All right, good. All right, so we have to hear the music. So we have the inching, the curling and relaxation of the feet. Kicking. No, the pelvis is rocking from side to side.
What me about?
Yeah, man. You have it locked.
No. Man, say me have it locked.
Reaching back, yeah. So you're projecting your pelvis backward. Then forward. No, you can't. Hey!
Oh, no, you can't get it. No, Sir P. Sir Patrick.
Freeze. Simone, let me focus on you.
Yeah.
There's another step that is called flanke in kumina.
Okay.
The ladies do that one. You can't do it.
All right, let's try it.
So a quick step. Up, drop. Up. Cool. So this, according to Dr. Lantonet Stein, this is called flanke. So ladies, shake your hip. Males don't shake. You just drop the heels down. Now the arms, you put it anywhere.
Anywhere.
And now in kumina, me can't, Nephral extra, see, but it's okay.
you say I must put it
Beautiful
anywhere?
student. No, in kumina there's a break.
Yes.
That is critical.
You drop.
Yes, you respond to the break, and because it is improvisational, the break is up to you.
Right.
Yeah?
Okay.
So it is not set like other folk form. There is that freedom in kumina, but the inching is important. The Congo step, they call that, is important.
That's which one I get this one.
Well.
Okay.
For dinky mini, you brush.
Right.
For kumina, you're steady.
You inch.
Yeah.
And you broke.
Yeah, right?
Hey.
Wait, no. In kumina, you have to go in a circle.
Yeah, what we done, you know.
We're done.
Come on.
In a circle.
Go,
No, you have to go anti-clockwise.
Inch.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Patrick Earl is the educator, performer, and dance specialist at JCDC.
Yeah, we can go.
After the break,
After the break, we give you something to smile about. That's what we are doing all morning.
we're soon come.
kill it.